This is the Walabot. It detects pipe, wire, and wood or metal studs through drywall and concrete. The Walabot emits signals and receives reflections back that it can then translate into useful information for you. Attach the Walabot to your phone, you can start scanning your walls with one of 3 different modes. The first mode we recommend using is pan mode. Pan mode will give you a quick panoramic overview of what's behind your wall. Now that I've scanned the wall, I have a bigger picture of where my studs are. They're here, here, and here. Images mode gives you a clear graphic representation of what objects are behind your wall. I see that there is a wire or pipe here. And voila, the Walabot found a stud. To find the center of the stud, move to expert mode. Move the Walabot just slightly over the stud and adjust the intensity bar if necessary. Expert mode will always give you the most accurate view into your wall. Congratulations! Now you can hammer or drill knowing exactly what's behind your wall.